People ask, who are these Adruta children? What makes them so happy? Where do they come from?
When I first saw the Adruta children perform in our temple some 4 years ago, I was amazed. Their skill was astounding and their devotion very touching and inspiring. After the performance, when I interacted with the kids, I truly felt a strong desire to do something for them.
Adruta Group's presence in our life, in our family's life, has really been a blessing. I personally derive great inspiration from Professor Mohanty's simplicity, dedication, and the deep selflessness with which he works.
How did it all start?
When we brought her from a slum, people were in tears. A 6-year-old. And why you are crying? She was a source of entertainment for us. She used to compose dance. I had a scooter at that time, so I used to take her, another Anjali, this girl, two were there. So she was fond of balloon and he was fond of, I used to give from the roadside, give this cheese and rabidi, this. She told me once, see, my mother was working in 4 houses. Sometimes she used to come very late, 3 o'clock. I was very hungry. I used to take stones. Child, without knowing that a stone cannot, too much hungry, she was taking stones. She still remembers that. So that is how we started children. Actually, her mother sent the child to serve our principal. Principal had a joint pen. We thought that this must be 12 or 13-year-old girl. She brought a 6-year-old girl. So how can this child? How can we make the child work? Then we send her to school. So that in this world, there are children who, in the feet of hunger, take stones. No, we should try to look at such children. And in 2 years, she completed 6 years dance course. Then we thought, such talents are not only born in rich families, but also let us identify these talents. At least that will be our contribution to the society, making good people, good singers, good dancers. Unless you see them dance, you cannot believe how good they are.
इतनी सुंदरता, आप अपने आप को देखेंगे ना किस तरह आप लोग गुड़िया की तरह लग रहे हैं। सब लोग छोटी छोटी गुड़िया लग रहे हैं। तो ये सुंदरता हमारे देश की है और आप उसे इतनी खूबसूरती से हमारे सामने लाते हो कि हमारा दिल खुश हो जाता है। तो ये आप बात बिल्कुल अपने बहुत करीब रखना, कभी छोड़ना नहीं इसको।
How come there is so much elegance in their dance, displaying the art in its pure form?
My interactions with the Adruta girls has been amazing. I have seen them both on stage and off stage, and I can tell you this, that they are so cultured, well behaved, well mannered, well groomed. It's really a pleasure interacting with them, having them over and seeing them perform.
I came to know about Adruta 2 years back. I came here, visited this Adruta Children's Home, and it appeared to me to be a wonder, because now there are, this particular branch of Adruta Children's Home, there are some 100 girls. They are being brought up with love and care, and they are getting really quality education, medical care, cultural training in dance, art and music, and also handicraft training.
I was in Adruta just a few months ago because I'd heard so much about it. Professor Mohanty and his dedicated team has just done wonders to that place. It's not really an orphanage, it's really a safe haven, a cultural haven that he has created for the girls and the boys there. So he's doing a phenomenal job of skillfully acquiring knowledge back in the orphanage and giving them the academics that's required to face the real world. The culture that he surrounds them with gives them the inner strength. We all with privileged backgrounds don't know what it is to be without parents. I urge you all to visit Adruta if need be and just see what he's done there. And his selfless team, let's support them, all of us, in whatever way we can. Thank you.
They are given physical, psychic and spiritual training. Their spiritual growth is very, very important because when they are growing, it will help them to be a good human being.
I am from Kashmir. In 1990, I have seen the migration of all Kashmiri Pandits, and during that time there were many homeless children, and what happened with them was a nightmare, and especially with the girl children. But when I came to know about Adruta children and I personally met them, they were so happy, dancing, they were taking so much nice care, and especially how Dr. Mohanty has raised those kids with so much love and care, it simply gives joy to my heart.
Whenever I see helpless children in the streets, I always feel very sad. More than that, I always feel very helpless. Not being able to do anything about them. Being, going along with our lives, sometimes we just have to turn a blind eye. And this, I'm sure this saddens many people like me. But when I met this Adruta children, who were raised by Professor Mohanty and the team, I was quite touched. I think these people are really exceptional because despite their busy schedules, they took out time to take care of children who by stroke of fate, somehow they are bereft from their own parents. They are so well taken care. Professor Aditya Kumar Mohanty is actually head of the philosophy department in Utkal University for a long time. But despite his activity, despite his working as a lecturer who was giving lecture on philosophy, he actually put philosophy into practice by taking care of the kids. He took the responsibility. Today he has 11 children home all across Odisha. So when I went to these children homes, what I saw, there was actually a family atmosphere. But the kids were raised with utmost care and attention. Not only that, what I found, whichever kid has whatever natural abilities, any talent, any in the form of art or culture or science, whatever, a lot of training and education is given to encourage the child to grow.
The Adruta children are coming back for a performance, and I sincerely request all of you to kindly come and attend the performance and make the children feel inspired, make that show be extremely successful, and make the kids feel truly, truly happy. Thank you.